she's gonna make the peanut sauce. I thought this was Dad's that cook.
Instead of buying peanut oil, you could buy peanut oil.
You could.
I just kind of take the oil from the top of the peanut butter.
Oh, that's smart. Just a
pull it.
tablespoon?
Yeah, I just pulled it off. People think peanut sauce is a lot of peanuts. It's actually a lot of hoisin sauce.
Hoisin
This
sauce.
is a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. And then you add a 1/2 cup of chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
Just any chicken stock.
Okay.
The majority of the flavor actually comes from the hoisin sauce. Then you add a teaspoon of chili paste because you like it spicy. And you put a teaspoon of sugar and then a tablespoon of tomato paste.
Okay, we're ready to blanch the shrimp.
So we're just gonna cook those guys up, get them nice and happy for a couple minutes.
Just gonna cut them in
Slice
half.
them in half.
And so the next thing we do is, we got this hot water the shrimp came out of. We're just gonna bring it back to a boil. Cook some rice sticks. All right, well, now we're finally ready to make some shrimp rolls. This is a little bit more labor intensive, so we need children involved. All right. So we got our ingredients set up here. I guess the key is this rice paper wrap, and it's dry, so you need to rehydrate it. So we got this bowl of kind of warm water. It's very easy to, like when you make any kind of roll, to overfill. So start conservative. And we start rolling a couple turns here like so. And next we want to put the shrimp in. I don't like to put the shrimp right away because then it gets hidden. And the next thing, the last thing you want to put in here is 1 sprig of chives. So you can see how it's the perfect consistency to wrap it at this point. It's not hard and doesn't break.
Cheers! Cheers! And we're dipping it in the peanut sauce.
Is it working?
Yum.
Yeah?
You can just take a piece of cardboard and dip in that peanut sauce and it tastes good.
It's so good. That's the best cardboard I've ever had. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.